come out very good anyway because it's got our touch.
Oh! Hello there, Internet. So today is another episode of Baking with Ashley, but I have a special guest with me. It's no secret here.
It's Nana Banana.
Oh
my goodness. Wonderful little lady.
Oh my god. So I'll show you guys what she is meaning when she wants a bag over her head.
Hi, I am Anna the Banana, the bag lady.
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, now kick now.
All right.
We're gonna be making
jelly.
jelly-filled cupcakes, which I call strawberry shortcakes because that's what they taste like. But I made these on Valentine's Day and they turned out so good and they were so yummy, and I made them into little hearts instead of just blobs. So it'll work. First we have to get all the ingredients. So there's not many for this one, but we will need
a yellow cake mix.
She has
these are butter. You need butter for those.
You do?
Yeah, you need a stick of butter.
Well, we're not gonna listen to this. So if they turn out bad, you're in this with us.
They will. They're not gonna.
Me cooking. She has no faith. No sugar. Added applesauce. And I'm also gonna grab a cake pan because the recipe doesn't even say to have one, but you obviously need one. Sugar-free strawberry preserve. This is our special Mother's Day edition. You need a cup or a tablespoon.
Well, we can call it special grandma's edition.
Special, yeah. It'll be uploaded on Mother's Day, but it's a special grandma edition of me and Nana. She is so conceited. She keeps looking at herself in the
Nana, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, so we can call her Nana, so if you guys love her, just write in the comments, we want more Nana, and then she'll be in all my videos. We have this.
This is a quart, yeah, but
oh, that's already used. Yeah, that's smart. Smart, wow, why weren't you here the other videos I had?
That's mostly for liquids.
Wow,
These are the dry measuring cups that you use.
See, you're learning something new.
These are the dry measuring cups that you use.
And
the other is a liquid measuring cup.
First step, we're following the directions now, is to preheat the oven to 350. So we're gonna go do that.
I'm gonna put the little cuppy inside.
Okay, good. You do that, being proactive. Love that. Love that. I'm always behind, and then the thing beeps, and then I'm never ready. So. No, I'm not ready for you yet. Bitch, I'm not ready for you. We need the mixing bowls, so we'll get a mixing bowl.
Bye. So cute to be around the grandchildren during the holidays, even though it's not a real actual holiday, but it is a Mama's Day.
It is a
Mother's Day, Grandparent Day. My kids have gotten so big, so it's not fun play games.
Yeah, no, we don't play no
anymore.
games.
Now it's cooking time.
Yeah, it's real people stuff. This is grown-up business, alright? So if you're like under the age of 5, click off the video. I don't know how you even know how to work a phone. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cake mix and baking powder. 2 cups of the cake mix. So we will do that. A third cup of the applesauce. I don't know if I have a third.
Let's see. Use the quarter.
We have the wrong cake mix. We don't even have the right measuring cups.
Well, I'm sure it'll still come out very good anyway.
Uh-huh.
Because it's got our touch.
Oh! That's fun.
Oh, thank you there. We're already making a nice
This is how
mess.
it is when you cook with Ashley.
Well, I'll just get away from her when she's got to do something.
Why you don't want to wear an apron?
Ooh,
The whole thing almost went. This is
I almost did.
You put the two of us together and there's going to be chaos and a mess and it's not going to be fun.
Okay, 1/3 cup of applesauce. Okay, that's good.
Oh, how beautiful.
There's one.
Really scoop it out of that.
So that's a 1/4.
Yeah, third, so you have to put a little
Third's a little bit more, so I was going to put a little bit more.
There we go.
I know what I'm doing, you know, Ashley.
Oh my goodness, I'm like calling you out and you're the pro here.
I guess that's good enough. A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Yeah,
that's the Italian grandma's.
Oh my gosh.
You know, but there was really no measuring in there. You know, you just do it till it feels good and all that stuff.
That's what she said.
A little bit of this and a little bit of that, and you're doing it.
I'm doing okay over here.
2 cups of that.
Yeah,
okay.
supposedly.
2 cups of that. Well, don't put too much because then it's not going to do. 1/3 of the strawberries.
That's fine. That'll work. There we go.
So let's get 1/3. Oh, I'm gonna knock the camera over.
Yeah, we don't want that. Here, we'll do it in this corner. That way we're seen on camera as well.
Oh yeah, we can watch all the mistakes that we're making here.
Me, I was. Oh wait, we
so
don't. See, this is the mistake I made last time. I accidentally put that in with that, before like those go just inside afterwards.
That's right.
But you can put like a little
Alright,
pinch
well,
of
you
it
know
in
what?
there because I
I'll
did that and it tasted good.
Yeah.
That was my accident. First time I made these. Accidents are fun sometimes. I'm fun.
Yeah, we'll just throw a dollop of. We'll just throw it.
Yeah, there we go. That'll taste good. Trust me, it will. I've done it before.
Okay.
And then we need 1 cup of water, and then we just stir it up.
It's so good.
It is.
Just want to wash my hands.
Oh yeah, I probably should have done it before I started.
Okay.
Cup of water.
Baking powder? Did you put? Doesn't say water, does
Yeah,
it?
it does right here. Add applesauce in 1 cup water and then stir.
And stir until blended. Okay. Did you do the baking powder?
No.
I'll give it a stir.
Yeah, give it a nice stir while I get the baking powder ready. Yeah, my first time making banana bread was a mess. I made banana bread, but I had none of the ingredients, so I was just kind of winging it.
Do you have any butter at all?
No, but we're not supposed to put it in there. We're supposed to be making healthy, low-calorie cupcakes. And by adding stuff like butter, they won't be low-cal.
Okay.
But we'll just hope for the best. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh, they'll come out delicious because they're made with love.
Yeah, that's what we were looking for.
That's
what we were searching for.
They're made with love.
Our beautiful love.
I hate to say one thing. Looks watery.
Looks very watery. I believe that was all the water that I added in, so we can just add a little bit more of this. And I believe the first time I made these was the same thing, and then the second time I knew not to do the full cup of water. But you live and you learn, you know?
Maybe we can put it in a loaf pan and it'll be better instead of.
Oh gosh.
What else do we have to do now?
That's it, and then we just put it in the little...
No way!
Yeah, there's only 4 ingredients, so it's super easy. I'll put it all in the description. Well, I don't know when it stopped recording, but we just put it in the oven for 20 to 22 minutes.
We're making a little treat to bring on our boat. We're gonna go.
Oh my gosh, you're making us sound
right.
like bougie yacht people. Alright, it's like a 4-seater, we're fine, it's rough. Applesauce away. Oh, you rinsed it before anyone could lick the bowl? How rude.
Well, I didn't want to chance it.
Yeah, that's probably smart.
2 hours later.
They never look that bad. They smell amazing.
Cool them down for just a few
We'll let
minutes.
them cool down, and then we'll either transfer them over to a plate so that we can do our little insertions, or we can just do it while they're still in the pan. But we'll see you then. They smell so good.
1 hour later.
After dipping a toothpick in the butter cake messes, it's been concluded that they are definitely not cooked all the way through.
Person we sent to the store got the wrong.
Yeah, our assistant got the wrong cake mix. So Kelly, you're fired. No, it's meant for just, you know, Pillsbury vanilla. So if you're gonna follow the exact recipe that's in the description, get the exact cake mix that I have listed down there, because I don't know whether it was you said it was some butter cake mix or something.
It's called, yeah.
When you're not putting butter in it, it's not gonna work. They're still fine, but we just can't like insert the jelly and stuff.
You have to eat it with a spoon.
Oh, you do?
Eat it with a spoon because they're gonna fall apart. We can't take it out of the paper.
Yeah. Is it good though?
Yeah, just a little doughy.
She's a little doughy, just like me, and she's still fine. We tried.
We tried our best.
I'd say we succeeded because it's still edible.
We just have to try again.
Yeah.
That's all.
We just have to try again. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and have a happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Spend some time with your mothers, or if you don't have one, someone. Yeah, some mother figure. But yeah. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Give me this.
I don't understand.
What's that?
She looks like a pilgrim. What is she doing?
Yeah, but I have to look up here. How can I look up here? When
You don't look over there. You just look there.
Oh, there.
We talked there. We talked to her.
Hi there.
Yeah.
Hi. But I want to see myself.
Oh my god. Sad now.
I'm not sad.
Okay.
I'm not sad. But my hair is.
Oh my god. Me.
I am so natural. It's unbelievable.